So I'm gonna try some backwards engineering here.
It works.
"100 days, 100 videos." That's today. I set off on this really dumb, stupid adventure to see if I could keep up with the Joneses, essentially. And I set off to do 30 videos in a row. I thought that went pretty well, so I doubled down and went for 60. And I thought, okay, yeah, it's working. I'll double down again. I'll go for 120. And around video 75, 77, somewhere around there, I realized how dumb of an idea it is to do a video every single day when you're a content creator that does projects, right? And what I mean by projects, I mean there's planning involved. I gotta source parts, I have to source the projects, and I have to figure out what needs to be done so I can get the process all completed in a fairly expeditious way. And then on top of it, I have to edit, and I'm a horrible editor, and it's because I'm old and it's something I don't really care to learn, even though I'm trying to learn it. So if somebody out there is an editor and you're an up and coming editor and you can do a better job than me, send me an email because I want to hire you. All right. So I realized that it's a lot to try to crank a video out every day when you have so much stuff in the background going on to be able to make that video. And I ended up making videos that I think are okay. They're not great. I mean, I think they're good. I'm trying to share what I learned and all that stuff. But the everyday thing, it's over. 100 days is enough to prove that I can do it, and I don't think I need to do any more to prove that I can. So what I'm going to roll into is something that's much more achievable, something where I have more time to edit, and we're talking like 2 or 3 days to edit versus 2 or 3 hours. So the plan going forward is going to be Fridays, 6 p.m. That's going to be that's when my video is going to drop every week. It's Friday at 6 p.m. And then the episodes of my thrift store rescue and other project videos that are actually fully complete, those will drop on Saturdays when they're available. But for right now, it's just going to be focused on Friday, 6 p.m. and I'll have plenty of time to make a good video. You know, that's you know, it's not going to be a short video, it's not going to be a long video, but the length of the video will be full of good content and stuff that you won't want to skip over, and it'll make it much more worthwhile for me to spend time doing a whole week on one video versus 7 videos in 7 days. So there's a few of the projects you can see right in front of me right now that are kind of examples of taking some time or things going really quickly. Chainsaw, it took me over 6 months to find and acquire all the correct parts to be able to actually fix it, and I'm still not done with it. I still need 2 more parts that I'm having a lot of difficulty finding that are quality parts, not repops made in China that are junk, you know. And this is right here was a short one. It only took me a day to get it all figured out what I'm going to do to fix this camping stove. This lantern, over a year and a half. Yeah, about a year and a half of trying to find all the parts I needed to actually restore this thing to good working condition. If you haven't seen that video, go back and take a look. I think there's 3 videos in that little series. Another one that was really fast, this is like 1 day. It took 3 days, I think, to get the whole video for these horseshoes done. So all the paint was dry. And the Chinese lantern, that was a 1-day thing, you know. But a lot of them are like my moped videos. I don't know if any of them are in the last 100 days, but that took over 2 years to find all the parts, and I had to really dig. So I got to find a good happy medium here, a balance of the scale, if you will, to where you guys get what you want, which is free content that's entertaining, educational, and all the other things that I throw out there, you know. So I gotta be fair to myself, as I'm beating myself up too much, and it's really making the content suffer. So there are lots of projects coming down the line. Like here's a toaster by the way I just got an old toaster. I just started finding parts for it today. I got a few more to find. What else is it? That lathe. I got another project coming for that lathe. There's a workbench that's going to be behind where the camera is right now. That's going to be a really big project. That's going to probably take about a month to do that whole video. So I need to have time to be able to do all that stuff and get you guys what you need. So that's it for today. 100 days, it was worth it, but I can't do it anymore because the quality of the content is suffering, as I've already mentioned. So this coming Friday, which is August 1st, I don't know if I'll have a video for that one. I'm probably just going to go ahead and take a break, and then the next video will be August 8th, Friday, 6 p.m. and from there on forward we'll keep it rolling, and every Saturday once in a while you'll see a video pop up for thrift store rescue or a finished project. Like once I get the actual parts for this chainsaw and I find the right ones that will make it a quality build, then I'll finish that, and then that'll pop up on Saturday. So Fridays you're going to see all the stuff I'm doing during the week. It won't be a vlog, but it'll be a vlog, sort of. I hope you guys enjoyed the last 100 days. I certainly did, to a certain point. But it was educational for me. I now know how to move forward in a much better way. And give me a few days and we'll have everything on the new schedule of Fridays, 6 p.m. I'll see you then. Laters.